In today's video, I will walk you through how to deal with loans in Xero. To begin, go to the main menu at the top of your Xero dashboard and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll create the account that will be used for your loan. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, click Add Account to create a new account. When setting up the account, select Liability as the account type, since a loan is money that you owe. Next, complete the required account details. Enter an account name that clearly identifies the loan. Choose a name that will make it easy to recognize later. Then enter the account code, add a description if required, and complete any other fields that Xero asks you to fill in while creating the account. After you've entered all of the required information, click Save to create the new loan account. Once the account has been saved, your loan account is ready to use. From this point on, whenever you need to record transactions related to the loan, select the loan account that you just created. If you're recording payments made towards the loan, choose this account when categorizing the transaction. If you're recording additional principal amounts received for the loan, use the same loan account for those transactions as well. Continue selecting this loan account for every transaction related to the loan so that all loan activity is recorded under the same account. After each transaction has been categorized using the loan account, the information will be recorded with that account, allowing all loan-related entries to remain together. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has helped you understand how to deal with loans in Xero.